Hi, are you there?
Yes, I am here. What would you like to discuss?
Okay, I am building a funnel on this website here. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. It looks like you are on a page to add a domain to Perspective. Do you have any questions about it?
Yes, so the domain that I'm adding is webinar.letsgohustle.com. It's going to say it's already taken because I tried doing this earlier, but when you click add domain to Perspective, what it does is it says,
Okay, it seems that you're trying to add the domain webinar.letsgohustle.com, but the system is telling you that the domain is already
yes,
taken. Is that
it's saying it's already taken because I've done this earlier, but just to give you an example, when I clicked it, it takes me to this page here where it gives you the instructions. It says I need to do this. So I go to, this is my hosting provider. Is this the right thing for me to put in there?
okay? It looks like you're setting up a CNAME record with your hosting provider. Based on the instructions you're seeing, it appears you should set the name to webinar and the target to name.perspective-dns.com. Is that what you're asking about?
Yes.
Okay, so you want to confirm that you should set the name to webinar and the target to name.perspective-dns.com. Is there anything else I can help with?
So is this based off of the instructions it gives me here on this page? Did what I do on this page, was this correct?
Yes, based on the instructions on the Link Your Domain to Perspective page, the CNAME record you entered with your hosting provider is correct. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, I have added the record. I will see if it goes through. The last couple times I've tried, it did not verify the domain.
Okay, it seems the domain is now added but is pending verification. Is there anything else you'd like to discuss?
Nope, that's it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Feel free to reach out if you need anything else.